now we are going to see when people come home to sell things to you, how you would converse and how they would converse. Okay? This is door to door marketing. Door to door marketing. How often when you are at home, they come and ring the bell and they say you think that there is somebody very important waiting at the door, and you rush to the door, open the door and see there will be somebody standing there with a broad smile. Excuse me madam, we have come to give you some free gift, and then you say no, I do not have time, please go away, I do not have time at all. No madam, we have come to give you a wonderful offer. This is a free gift. If you buy this, you get this free. But then first they won't say if you buy this. They will just say you are getting a free gift today. It is a very lucky day for you, and you just get this beautiful gift. Please spend at least 2 minutes. I am not taking much of your time. This is what they will say. Then you are very tempted. This is human psychology. When they say something is given free of cost, immediately you become so very attracted to attached or attracted by that free offer. Everybody these days, they are attracted by that free offer. You get a mixie or grinder or TV or anything free, you immediately go and take it. So now somebody is coming to your door and giving you something free of cost. So you are so very interested, anxious or inquisitive to know what that free offer is, and when you said that you are busy, now you spend more time with him or her, and you say, okay, what is the free offer, let me see. And they tell you that it is a bunch of books. This book is free, it is written by Abdul Kalam, this book is free, this is a general knowledge book, this book is also free, it is an Oxford dictionary, and then you get all this free if you buy this book. So there comes the attachment to it. So all this is free if you buy this book. So already they have convinced you of that book and this book and this book. So you have already, your mind is already prepared to get that free offer. Then you think, this book is actually 2000 rupees, but I am giving it to you for 1000 only. See, that also is an offer, 50% offer, and if you make use of this, you get all the other 3 books free. And immediately you start spending time with them, chatting with them, conversing with them, and then you ask what is the offer, what is this book, and they keep on telling this book is actually 900 rupees, this book is 600 rupees, that book is 500 rupees. All this we are giving you free of cost, just for 1000 rupees, that too with 50% discount we are giving you. You get this and you get all this free. You think you have become the wisest person if you make a decision to buy that, and then you go in, you bring 1000 rupees and give it to him or her, and you get all the 4 books free of cost. So this is how people who go on with marketing attract your brain, attract you with all nice beautiful smiles and nice words to sell their product. This is called door to door marketing, and they get a lot of commission for it. Okay, shall we see how the conversation goes? Okay. So I just say okay, salesperson. Salesman. He rings the bell and he says, "Excuse me, madam." And you go to open the door and you see, I'll just write you. Yes, what do you want? And salesman says, very smiling all over, "Madam, this is your lucky day. We have brought you some wonderful gifts. Immediately you are a little reluctant to talk to them, so you just say, "Please go away, I am too busy at the moment." And the salesman says, "Ma'am, kindly spend 2 minutes of your valuable time kindly spend 2 minutes of your valuable time. It's really worth it." It's really worth it because we are giving you some free gifts. So as soon as you hear it's free gifts, you are attracted. Free gifts. What are they? Salesman says, "Do you have children at home?" Now you started conversing with a salesman. You said you are too busy, but now because he said free gifts, you've started conversing. So you say, Yes, I have two school going children. Then you are the right person to get these gifts. Right person to be given, okay, right person to get these gifts. We have an Oxford Dictionary, and a general knowledge book, free for you. If you buy this book for 1,000 rupees, which is at a discounted price, which is at a discount of 50%. Then you say, oh, you at last want me to buy a book? You said, I'm getting, you said, okay, you said that you are giving me free books. Yes, madam. Two books are free if you buy one. And you are a very clever person. You have understood their tactics and you say, no thank you, I don't need any. and you close the door. Okay. Sometimes we have to be a little wiser also. We shouldn't fall a prey to all their marketing techniques or tactics. Okay. They will also use nice words and they will smile at you and they will say you look very beautiful and all that. You should not fall a prey to all that. Okay. So, this is a conversation between you and a salesman who comes for door to door marketing. Okay. He comes on door to door marketing. Now, shall we see how the conversation goes? You should practice all this. You may be a housewife and at times many people come and try to sell things. You should know how to talk. Okay, salesman. Excuse me, madam. You say, yes, what do you want? So, they ring the bell and you go and slowly open the door and you ask, yes, what do you want? And the salesman says, smiling, good morning, madam, or madam, this is your lucky day. I can even put an exclamatory mark there. He will say it in such a way full of expression. We have brought you some wonderful free gifts. And you say, please go away, I am too busy now, you say. And the salesman says, ma'am, kindly spend 2 minutes of your valuable time. It's really worth it because we are giving you some free gifts. And you are a little attracted towards the term free gifts. And you say, free gifts? What are they? Salesman, do you have children? And immediately he is not answering. See, do you have children at home? And you say, yes, I have 2 school-going children. Then the salesman says, then you are the right person to get these gifts. We have an Oxford dictionary and a general knowledge book free for you if that if is there. If you buy this book for 1000 rupees, he shows another book which is at a discount of 50%. Then you become a little alarmed. Then you say, oh, you at last want me to buy a book? You said that you are giving me free books? And the salesman says, yes, madam, 2 books are free if you buy one. Then you say, no, thank you, I don't need any. Please go away, and you send them away. So, this is a conversation between you and the door-to-door marketing salesman. Did you enjoy the conversation? I hope you are also wise like the you in the conversation.